Hey there, I'm Bill DeWeese, pro voiceover talent and voiceover career coach. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by. Just a quick reminder that when it's time to get your upgraded pro VO website, check out vowebsites.com and Jeff Bianchi. He's the man who created and designed, maintains BillDeWeese.com and many other voiceover websites as well. Does great work. Beyond that, he is dependable. Will keep your site up, running well, is responsive. You got to check him out right now, vowebsites.com. When you go there, Jeff's going to knock 50% off the price of your website. $49 to get your voiceover website set up. It's ridiculously affordable. So check it out today, vowebsites.com. All right, so are you in the comfort zone or are you in the voiceover learning zone? Comfort zone or learning zone? And here's a quick tip. If you're in the learning zone, you're not comfortable. Being in the learning zone, just by its very nature, means that you are stretching yourself beyond what you already know or what you already can do or what you're already comfortable with. So if you're feeling pretty comfortable right now, pretty sheltered and safe in what's going on, it means you're not growing and you're not learning. And it could account for the fact that you may not be where you want to be. Because to get to where you want to go, you can't remain the person that you are. You have to grow. Grow in terms of maybe intellectually, maybe emotionally, especially in a performance job like voiceover. That might be a big part of it. Or just, in the skills side of things or in the understanding the business side of things. And I know it may feel overwhelming when you start to think about it, but so often we get stuck in this this comfort zone because, we're comfortable in one regard, but another way we're not, because we know we want to be out here. So we feel this tension of we're not where we want to be, but we're afraid to reach out. So we stay in this. We are emotionally tormented because we're not doing what we know we want to be doing or should be doing. But we stay comfortable in the fact that we don't expose ourselves to any negative feedback. So today, I just want to encourage you to take an inventory. What is it that you're comfortable with right now that maybe you shouldn't be? Is it your performance skills? Have you been afraid to put yourself out there? Are you auditioning, maybe not auditioning for things that you could be because you're afraid it's the deep end of the pool and you're afraid you're going to fail? Are you afraid to market yourself because you're afraid somebody's going to say no and reject you? I mean, that's a real thing. This is not a criticism at all. It's what everybody has to deal with. And it's not just voiceover, it's anything. To become what you want to be requires getting uncomfortable. And it doesn't mean you have to just do it all at once. Again, what I'm encouraging you to do is take an inventory. What are the things that you're not doing that you could be doing because they make you uncomfortable? Just pick one thing this week, just one thing. Maybe it's making a phone call to a prospective client. Maybe it's submitting your demo to an agent. Maybe it's booking a coaching session to sharpen your performance skills. Could be any number of things, or maybe it's just getting started, period, because it all seems so overwhelming. But you just got to take that first step. You got to get uncomfortable. Get uncomfortable, but not to the degree where you become frozen in fear and you just quit. So what I strongly suggest is take that inventory of things that you could be doing that make you uncomfortable, but will take you closer to your goal. Pick one thing, just one thing, and do it this week. And I'll tell you what will happen. Your confidence will expand. You will begin to get excited because even though you didn't tackle everything on your list, you did one thing. You pushed yourself outside of your comfort zone into a new area. You learned something new, or at least began to expose yourself to something new. That will grow your confidence. That will grow your self-esteem, and it will allow you to do a better job in your voiceover work because the more confident you are, and the higher your self-esteem and the way that you view yourself and the work that you do, the better the work will be and the more auditions that you will win. So it just becomes an upward spiral. But just start with one thing. Get uncomfortable. The next week, you can introduce a new uncomfortable thing. But remember, to learn to grow, you've got to get uncomfortable. So, again, are you in the comfort zone or are you in the voiceover learning zone? And let me strongly encourage you to get into the learning zone. Hey, if you're interested in finding out about my comprehensive, immersive voiceover training, mentoring, and coaching program, it's called the Voiceover Blueprint. It's an ongoing program of support, of community, of training, coaching, mentoring. Check it out. Just look below in the description. You'll see the link. and you can schedule a phone call to learn more to find out if you're a good fit for it, if it's a good fit for you, and we can take it from there. So thanks again for checking out the video. Schedule your call, and we'll see you soon.